Hi, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, hasn't it? Come here, Rose. There we go. Gotta come outside with me because I don't want you to eat things. Yeah, like I said, it has been a while. Sorry for that. Mainly just I don't have that many interesting things going on in my life. I mean, I did, but then again, I can't really record that because you have to have two hands to ride a dirt bike. So, I mean, you can ride one hand, but it's hard. Anyway, right now, I'm building a racing lawnmower. I call her the Meanie Bee. My little place over there to work on it. Don't mind them, they're doing work, but over here, you got what I'm doing here. The tire, I'll show you over here. The tire doesn't have a bearing. I don't know if you can see that, but see that's shiny? Shouldn't be like that. That's from the metal grinding against this. No bearing. But right now, what I already did is I just cut this off. The belt for the blade. This thing actually has a lot of horsepower, 21.5. Alright. Right now, what I'm trying to do is take off this bolt right here. It's a 9/16. Oh. But it doesn't really want to come off. Lift it up with the boot, then get to it. That's for a later video though. But right now, I'm showing you the front, how I painted everything. Got the mean face, hence its name. Right here. Got the R&R for Redneck Racing. We got it up here too. Except I wrote this one, that one, really crappy. Didn't really center it, and I don't really care. And then I got this bad boy right here, R&R here. But yeah, I'll make another video, maybe in a couple days when I have the bearing for this tire, and I have the screw out of the carburetor, which will allow it to actually put more gas into the engine, allowing it to go faster. Yada yada yada. But what I'm kind of scared to do is this thing has 6 gears, right? And it has 21 horsepower. Now, it wasn't really meant, none of these things are meant to go fast. They're meant to just mow. So, what I'm scared about is that I'm going to pop it into first, right here. And then I'm just going to take off. Or like pop it in reverse, and then crash into the boat back there. So we're probably going to put it in neutral and just roll it out. And then I'll start it over there. Actually, why don't we start it for you guys? Okay, if that wants to stay out, you know, that'd be quite cool. There we go. Yeah, right now it's jacked up. That's why it's kind of crooked. Oh, so I'm a little retarded, and I had it in reverse, and then I let off the brake here, and it kind of went backwards a little bit. But not to worry, it didn't fall off the jack. Yeah, so laugh at me in the comments for that. Yeah, have a nice day.